How to show or hide battery level on home screen in Assistive Access Mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings, and then in the Settings page, tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Assistive Access. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Show Battery Level on home screen. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Once you turn this on, the battery level information will be available on the home screen in Assistive Access Mode. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.